I was looking for a social emotional type website that would maybe work with high schoolers, and I came across this pretty well designed website called InspirEdStudents.org. That's where I am right now. One of the things that really stands out to me about this website is that it has with it a lot of ways to assess making your school more of a positive climate. So it talks about school climate. You have a climate report card, ways to measure school climate, and a discussion guide. And all of these things are absolutely free. Then if you come over here to resources, you can register your team and then download the playbook and browse the projects. So I want to show you a few of these projects because I think these are really cool. You can work on peer mentoring in discipline, so making school discipline a restorative process that reduces student office referrals and supports students by engaging them in relationships. So you can click on all of these and find different ones. It'll tell you about how long it will take to implement it, and you can read about each one more and more as you go along. Restorative justice, foster messages, creating a 9th grade welcome to your high school. So encouraging your students to welcome the 9th graders in a positive way. Just some really very practical ideas that don't take a whole lot of effort to implement. Also, then it has the opportunity to go to activities, and then it asks these questions for SEL skills, and you can filter it by relationship skills, responsible decision making, self-awareness, self-management, social awareness. Then over here you have emotions, connected and supported, content and balanced, energized and motivated, happy and excited, all of these. And you can search for any of those, and then what comes up is feel comfortable in your skin. And then it asks questions, and then it shows you a little video or a little activity to do to help you accomplish that. So these are things that you could do in your classroom, one-on-one, or even, something that you could encourage your students to do at home. Just to smile at yourself in the mirror every morning for just 1 minute. So I click on that, and it says how to, and it has a little video with a TED Talk. Just think these are really awesome tools to give to our students and also to utilize in our classroom. Thank you so much. If you have any questions or you want to know more, go to InspirEdStudents.org. Thank you.